said in an interview to Dawn News that I like to do things in a grand way. What is the benefit of doing something if it's not grand? So in this way, they kind of pressurize other channels as well as the celebrities. There is not one celebrity who has who talks bad about this channel. There are some celebrities who talk trash about that. There's ARY, the celebrities have problems with that, but they cannot take uh, or revenge, or they cannot have this type of relation with Hum channel, because majority of the channels or the network or the media mafia, it belongs to this Hum News. Thank you.
Thank you for your presentation, Fatima. Uh, I would like to ask you a question which is related to your resources. What resources did you use to do your search?
Ma'am, I have this link. I read an article in Dawn newspaper, and then there was another article in Express. All those were the interviews of Durad Qureshi before certain award shows or before the launch of a new show.
Okay. Acha, who would like to go next? I have scored your presentation, Fatima. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Who would like to go next? Because today is the last day of presentation. From Wednesday, I'm going to write it in the chat box. From Wednesday, better, we will begin our discussion on representation. Acha, एक और बात, by tomorrow, inshallah, I will upload a recording on YouTube. Before you come to the class on Wednesday, I recommend that you see that recording beforehand. Let me tell you what the recording is. The recording is, it's a 10 minutes long recording only, and the recording is based on Stuart Hall's lecture. I'm writing it in the chat box again. So the recording is based on Stuart Hall's lecture on representations. I'm not sure. I think the recording, the lecture, it's a lecture by Hall himself. And if I'm not mistaken, the recording I think was done by Open University or by Oxford University, where Hall taught for a while. But anyways, I will upload that recording by tomorrow. I will create a separate folder on Moodle by the name of representations, and I'll upload that recording. I highly recommend that you see that recording on Moodle before you come for the next class. So today we are going to end the presentations, and we will be beginning our discussion on representations on Wednesday. I will give you your midterm recorded presentation question on May the 28th, and then you will have 3 to 4 days to do a recording, and then upload it, and that will include all the syllabus that we would have covered by May the 26th. Okay? Ji. All right. Who will go next? Who is left? Ushna, have you presented? I think Ushna has not presented yet.
No, ma'am.
Would you like to go next?
No, ma'am. Not yet.
Why is that?
Ma'am, अभी थोड़ी सी रहती है.
But how long do you need to do the preparation? Today is the last date. I cannot spend the whole semester doing presentations.
Ma'am, next class में.
But when I asked you last time, you said you would be presenting in next class, which means
Ma'am,
मैंने
last class attend नहीं की. मैंने last class attend ही नहीं की थी.
So were you with us when students were doing presentations on Wednesday?
No, ma'am. No.
And may I ask, why have you been missing so many classes?
मैम वो रमजान की वजह से schedule डिस्टर्ब हुआ था, इस वजह से मुझे मेल्स भी प्रॉपर नहीं मिल रहे थे, इस वजह से वो स्पैम में जाते जा रहे थे.
But checking emails is your responsibility. We are doing online teaching, and everyone should know that mails are coming your way. Well, saying that I didn't get the email isn't any excuse. But anyways, if you present it in next class, it will be with the deduction of a few marks. I cannot assess you for full marks now.
Ma'am, can I present?
G, go ahead.
Hello everyone, my name is Mohsen Iqbal. So the privatization of media channel in 2002 at the era of Pervez Musharraf gave us to the media conglomerate in Pakistan. Basically, a media conglomerate is a company that owns numerous companies involved in mass media enterprises such as television, radios, and publishing on the internet. The example I choose for media conglomerate is ARY News. They had entertainment channels, ARY Digital, ARY Zindagi. They have ARY Sports. They have their own music channel, ARY Music. Moreover, they have Islamic channel as well, which is ARY QTV. As a result, they are able to manipulate public opinion in almost every area of life in this manner. Both of these outlets are part of the same media company. Uh, this is how they influence public life. The gatekeepers decide what kind of news should be broadcast to the public. Uh, they are, in other words, spreading the same ideology. The answer of my second part, as everybody knows, news channels are politically biased. ARY is considered as PTI and as a PTI channel, whereas Geo is considered as a pro PMLN channel.
Okay, thank you for your presentation. Mohsen, you just gave us the example that ARY is considered to be pro PTI. But
Yes, ma'am.
well, it is better if you quote any example to let us see how tangibly you are studying this particular ideology in your example.
Ma'am, in every case they favor PTI, so I think so they are biased.
Any particular example in your mind?
Not yet, ma'am.
Well, you were supposed to bring an example then. I gave,
Yes.
I think, pretty good time to us, to everyone to do the preparation. Let me give you an example. A few months ago, or maybe a year back, I don't remember exactly, when Nawaz Sharif was in prison, and there was a news that was related to that he fell sick, and news ARY's coverage to that
Yes, ma'am.
incident was so sensational that even I read tweets on Twitter and social media, people were commenting on that, because the headline that ARY showed to that ARY made out of that news story was that former Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif, what he ate in his lunch, and they were talking about the idea that he ate okra in lunch at that day, and maybe for that reason he wasn't feeling good. Okra is bhindi in Urdu. It's a vegetable that we usually eat. So that was a very sensational coverage by ARY, and I think that explains the ideological entanglement that we were discussing currently. Thank you for your presentation, Mohsen. I have
Yes, ma'am.
written your score in my Excel sheet. I still have many students who are writing me private messages, and looks like a lot of people are going through medical problems right now. um, Let me tell you whose names I do not have, whose scores I do not have in my list. But if you are the one who presented the first day, uh, please ignore your name, because like I told you, I have a separate list in my office for students who presented the first day, and I'll enter their names when I go there. Muhammad Musa Aftab, Sayyid Uzair, Muhammad Ali, Cynthia Ashraf, Fatima Atiq has already presented, but I don't have her score. I'll enter it later. Anush Israr, Rakhshan Amir, Irha Chuftai, Maham Fatima. Taha has also presented, but I'll enter his score later. Faiz Ilyas just said he has presented. Hussain Jafar. Hussain, I am not sure if he has presented, but if he has, he's good. Abdullah Akram Khalid, Aftab Arif. Then there is Alize Ghani. Then there is Haris Sandhu. Aruj has presented. I have her score with me. Khurram Shahzad, Mahnoor Mansoor. And then there is, yeah, these are the students who have not presented yet. And since I'm recording this lecture and a recording of this lecture will be available on Moodle, I have already told you the names of students who have not presented yet. So whoever presents next time now, I'll be doing his assessment with the deduction of a few points. All right. If I have any other student who wants to present today, well and good. If no, then I'll call it a day, and I'll see you all in our next class with my lecture on representations. All right. Looks like
Understood, ma'am. Thank you.
G.
I said understood. Thank you.
Well, thank you for understanding. Now, for the representations, again, I would like to repeat the information that I will upload Stuart Hall's lecture on representation by tomorrow. Please try to make sure that you see the recording of Hall's lecture before you come for the class on Wednesday. Okay? And you will be receiving the link, the Zoom link for the class, either shortly before the class or by tomorrow. Okay, thank you and goodbye.
Allah Hafiz.